James, are you all right?
Yeah, man, it's all good. Hey, bud. These two fellas here.
That we found them.
Oh, you found them?
We got them out of the trees. They were nearly bloody dead up there.
Yeah, I was going to check that thing there,
Yeah, so they're all worried about you.
yeah. No.
So you're all right.
Yeah, bloody, yeah, it's all good. There's someone's dog. Must be.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।